Hello YouTube, here's a random video for your enjoyment. I have a flashlight, so don't screw with me. Alright.
What happened to this one? Light?
Alright, so here, we have a random video.
My parrot's fighting on my shirt.
His parrot.
Get off! Hang on. His name's Dexter. He can play dead. Watch. Bang! Wait, bang! He's dead.
Wow. He even trained his parrot to play dead. And at the snap of a finger, he comes back to life.
He's my pet parrot. I love him with all my heart.
So what kind of parrot is it?
I just told you, Quaker parrot.
Oh, it's a Quaker.
Name's Dexter. He's a male.
Dexter!
I'm just kidding.
Alright.
So yeah, this is him. He's gonna be joining us into the forest. Let's take him into the forest.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna have to stop the video because it's running out.
Okay. Alright, bye. Bye.
Dexter says bye. And so does Harrison. Goodbye.
Dexter.
Remember, don't screw around with me.
Dun, 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 dun.